time for the moment of truth.
What?
I spent $16 for this.
Hello! Today we are unboxing the Huion 420 tablet. It comes with the tiny tablet, stylus, and extra nibs, also a USB cord. I got this on Amazon for $16, in case you haven't watched my shorts. Links in description. Okay, now I'm going to plug it in and download the software using the link given on the baby manual. I clicked the link and downloaded it for my laptop model and tablet model. But I ran into a problem. Device disconnected. Oh no! I thought I found a solution and fixed it after replaying, but it still wasn't working. Spent the next hour trying to fix it, or else I'd have to return it. After much uninstalling, searching, and reinstalling.
A few moments later.
It still wasn't working. It actually needed batteries, yet they never mentioned anywhere. Thank goodness there was a comment in the reviews. Yay, it works! As you can see, it's hard for me to control it easily, unlike an Apple Pen, but it works well if you want to use your laptop. The surface of the tablet is small, but it's better than nothing for broke beginners like me. It will take some time getting used to this. Would you guys buy this? Let me know if this solved some problems, and if I should make an animation using this. It's gonna be hard, but better to practice so I can buy something better. Like, sub, and comment any more tips. Link to buy in description.